Sexy Red's Glam team prepares her for her next appearance inside her SUV.
When you late to your hair appointment but your wig still wet. That's all you gotta do, boo.
We're gonna go shorter?
Yep. Pass me that wig.
That's crazy.
It's a lot going on in here.
Nothing.
So I'm getting my nails done, getting my hair done in the car as well. And my makeup.
We should have more time. We could.
But I'm trying to see what I want on my nails. So I'm like, hold on, she got babies in the stomach.
Yeah, I did that when I was pregnant.
Piece on the lip. Love it. Girl. You turn around like, yep.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
I don't know. Like, feet. Hold on. You did, Bookie. Hold on. Period. You did, Booski. Cause y'all my bitches. Period. And that's my boo. Real quick. Got it done real quick. Real fast. Hold on. Got my bitches right. I can't keep up. Hold on. Right. Hold on. Toes getting done. We straight for in the courtyard for. Look at this ice cream.
I'm making a custom cut.
You heard that? She's making a custom color for me. I got that on film, boo. You got that on film? I got that on film. That's cute, though. You got that on film. We got makeup stuff. We in the whole driver's seat. Ooh, hold on. She said this some new. I see them. She trying to. You can't go nowhere, Miss Mel. Hey, y'all, look at her. Oh, you ain't gonna do her eyebrows. We'll some of it for you. Yeah, her nail book is crazy.
Thanks for tuning in to 9 Mag TV.